What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's been a long minute since I last posted, I think back in December. But if you guys notice, I'm in a new setting. I finally got my apartment back in April. So a lot has changed in the past 9 months. I'm sorry if I sound funny, but I have my Invisalign retainers thingies going on. But yeah, we have a long overdue little studio apartment tour that I want to give you guys to show you guys what I'm currently working with. Since my last place, I'm definitely more of a minimalist now. Less is more, and it works out for me. So I want to show you guys the apartment, show you guys where I got things, and yeah, catch up with you guys because it's been a long time and a lot has changed in the last 9 months. I'm definitely in such a better space mentally, emotionally, working on the financially. But I just turned 29. I'm feeling good. Don't get me wrong, I've had rough patches here and there, but I feel happy. I feel blessed to have my little home with Milo, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. So hang tight. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen. You have more than enough space and storage. So I really, really love it. It's crazy to think that I was living in a warehouse before, so I'm just obsessed with my little kitchen. I have this handy dandy trash can that I got from Home Depot. It's super sturdy, highly recommend it. I got this little mirror and shelf from Target. Super cute. Right before you head out, just check yourself out and you're good to go. I've had this drying rack since my first apartment in 2019. Super clutch as heck. That way you don't have to dry the dishes on the counter and take up counter space. I have my little coffee bar over here. I got this from Amazon. Camera from Amazon because you gotta stay safe in these streets. I have a little pantry going on over here. Lots of medicine, lots of dry goods, and my collagen, my protein, my greens, some water, you name it, we have it all. My current theme is like light colors with black. I recently got black dishes and I'm kind of obsessed. Super cute. I'm just scared to scratch them. Let's see. So when you walk in to your left, we have a little hallway thing going on here. We have a storage closet here. I store all my toilet paper, my paper towels, extra blankets, bags, games, and just other little necessities in here. And my dirty laundry off to the side. It's perfect. Across from this, we have the washer and dryer, which is super clutch being inside the unit because a lot of them have it outside and that would kind of suck, especially if it's like raining or just windy. And then we have a pretty large restroom. It's just myself, so like again, it's more than I need, but I love it and I'm taking it. So I love gray. If you couldn't tell, you'd think a fucking man lives here, but this is what we're working with. I love it. It's pretty big. This is like a tiny little freaking closet. I have my router and some cleaning essentials, my fanny packs over here. And coming this way, we have the living room. We have a little bar situation going here. It's funny because I started with 2 of these bar stools from my first apartment, and then I got 1 more when I moved into the house in Yorba Linda. And when I moved here, I got 1 more. So I've had these since 2019. They are so sturdy, so comfortable, just a tad bit pricey, but I highly recommend them. We have my little vacuum over there. It's from Amazon. Don't recommend it. It doesn't clean up that great. It goes everywhere, like it goes in circles, it misses spots, but I still have it because it was a gift. So we have Milo over here, not for sale, and I got him on offer. So we have the couch. I got the couch on Amazon. Everything from here is actually Amazon. So couch is Amazon, side tables are Amazon, coffee table is Amazon. However, the little books are from like a boutique store in Yorba Linda. And then if I'm not mistaken, the decor is from Hobby Lobby. I can't quite recall where I got that mirror, so sorry about that. If I remember when I post this video, I will tag it. The plant is from Home Depot, super clutch as heck. We have the TV and speaker situation going on over here. This time around, I really didn't give a damn about hiding wires and stuff. It's just myself here. I don't care to impress anybody. Like, if I invite you to my home and you're gonna judge me based on this, you need to get the heck out of here. So, per usual, I have my LEDs going on. Also, Bay the Builder mounted the TV, so hit her up. And then if we go to the center over here, we have the dining area. I just got this dining table from Amazon as well. I used to have the larger version of it, which seats 4 in my first apartment, so I knew I really liked this one, especially because it has storage space right here, and it's just cute. It works for myself. I have this little storage unit that I got from IKEA for all my alcohol because I'm an alcoholic. So it's cute, it's sturdy, it was really easy to build. And then we have this divider that I put here so it can divide the bedroom space behind that. I got it on Amazon as well. It's about 12 feet long and it really helps divide the space up nicely and keep it looking clean. I'm not too sure where I got this mirror, but it just opens up the space a lot and I like it. So over here we have the bedroom area. Of course, I put up my pull-up bar because pull-ups are essential in your daily life. So get yourself a pull-up bar. That's from Amazon. The band is from Amazon as well. We have my bed, again, sticking to the grays. It's just, I don't know, I like grays. Don't ask me why. We have Milo's little corner right here, his little king bed, his toys, his food, everything he needs right there. The lamps, the floating lamps, I got them on Amazon. The shelves I cut from IKEA. What else we have? The headboard I got from OfferUp. It actually has legs, but I ended up mounting it so it could be more sturdy because I hate when headboards have legs and they just like tap the fucking wall, and you know what I'm talking about. So mounted it is. It's super sturdy. I like it. Over here we have the closet. So it used to have a long shelf up here. I removed that to insert this organizer, and it fits so much more than that shelf did, of course. I have all my purses and caps up top, all my heels, all my pants and shorts, and my underwear and other essentials here. I have my purses and other goodies over here, all like my linen for the bed. All of my jackets and shirts for work and outings. You wouldn't think I live in California because goddamn, how many jackets could I possibly need? But I'm a cold girl. That's what being anemic does to you. So that's the closet. This is the bedroom. It just really works out. Like, look, you know, I know I'm typically not gonna have people over and then be sleeping here, but when people do come over, they don't have to be staring at my bed, and I kind of really like that. So what do you guys think? If you guys have any questions about where I got anything, if I did not happen to mention it, drop a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the apartment is, what your favorite piece of furniture is, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been so long since I've posted. I have so many little story times to tell you guys, but until then, thank you for watching.